Right now, while you're scrolling, your stomach is under attack. Not from a virus, not from bacteria. From you. 74% of adults have digestive discomfort right now, and 90% ignore it until it becomes a disease. I'm standing here with Bones, a real human skeleton. If he were alive, his stomach would be right here. By the end of this, you will never look at your belly the same way. You'll learn 9 diseases you're ignoring, why your stomach never rests, and the 60-second daily protocol that could save your digestive life. Here are 9 diseases your stomach is begging you to prevent. If you have any of these symptoms, listen carefully. Good acid reflux. That burning isn't just heartburn. Acid splashing into your esophagus causes Barrett's esophagus, which increases esophageal cancer risk by 125 times. Inflammation of the stomach lining, often from H. pylori bacteria, which infects half the world. Chronic gastritis leads to atrophy, then cancer, an open sore in your stomach wall. If it perforates, acid spills into your abdomen. That's peritonitis, minus 30% mortality. Your stomach stops emptying. Food rots inside you. No cure. Small intestinal bacterial overgrowth causes bloating so severe you look pregnant. Linked to rosacea and brain fog. Silent until late stage. 5-year survival, under 30% of count lactate. But early, 90%. When was your last endoscopy? A cancer of immune tissue in the stomach, caused by H. pylori. Kill the bacteria, the cancer sometimes vanishes. A tumor that makes your stomach produce massive acid. Ulcers everywhere. Often misdiagnosed for years. Your stomach looks normal, but works wrong. Early fullness, burning, affects 20% of adults. Driven by stress, 90 diseases, millions of people. Almost all preventable if you pay attention. Here's the psychological horror. Your stomach and brain are connected by the vagus nerve. 90% of signals travel up. Your stomach talks to your brain more than your brain talks to your stomach. A 2023 study found people with IBS are 3x more likely to develop anxiety. Chronic gastritis patients have 40% higher lifetime risk of depression. Your stomach is literally making you anxious. The bloated feeling, that's distress signals going to your amygdala, your fear center. Over time, your brain learns to be scared for no reason. This is why Just-Eat Battle fails. You have to reset the nerve pathway. Your stomach has a built-in janitor, the migrating motor complex, MMC. Every 90 minutes, when you're not eating, a wave sweeps through, clearing leftover food, bacteria, debris. But the MMC is fragile. The moment any calories hit your stomach, a cracker, a latte, a granola bar, it shuts down. If you snack all day, your MMC never works. Result: bacterial overgrowth, bloating, inflammation. Your stomach never gets to clean itself. The solution: time-restricted eating. Fast for 12 to 16 hours overnight. Give your MMC time to work. Let's get practical. 3 foods that heal your stomach and 3 that destroy it. Healer number 1, bone broth, rich in glycine and glutamine, amino acids that repair your stomach lining. Drink 1 cup daily. Healer number 2, cabbage, contains vitaminu discovered in the 1950s to heal ulcers faster than medication. Eat it raw or fermented. Healer number 3, ginger, speeds gastric emptying, reduces nausea. Great, fresh ginger into hot water. Killer number 1, refined sugar, feeds bad bacteria, drives SIBO. 1 soda damages your stomach linings, tight junctions for hours. Killer number 2, industrial seed oils, soybean, canola, sunflower, high in inflammatory omega-6 cause leaky gut. Killer number 3, artificial sweeteners, sucralose, aspartame. New 2025 research shows they kill beneficial bacteria and increase gut permeability. You don't need a perfect diet. Just eliminate these 3 killers for 1 week. You will feel the difference. Here is your daily, 60-second, science-backed stomach reset. Do this every morning. Before eating, 8 ounces warm water, plus juice of half a lemon, plus a pinch of sea salt. Drink slowly. This stimulates stomach acid and electrolytes. Vagus nerve breathing. Inhale through nose for 4 seconds. Hold 2 seconds. Exhale through pursed lips for 8 seconds. Repeat 5 times. This lowers cortisol and tells your stomach safe to digest. Clockwise belly massage. Lie down or sit. Use 3 fingers. Start at lower right. Move up to ribs. Across to left. Down to left hip. 10 circles. This mimics the MMC and stimulates movement. That's it. 60 seconds. No pills. No equipment. Do this for 7 days. Your stomach has been fighting for you every second of your life. It breaks down poison. It absorbs life. And it talks to your brain. You've just been ignoring it. Comment the word reset below. I'll send you a free PDF checklist of the 3 heal foods, 3 kill foods, and the 60-second protocol. Subscribe to Body Blueprint XX. Because your body deserves science, not shame. I'll see you in the next video.